Oh, the smell of napalm in the morning.
Who's the commanding officer here?
Ain't you?
In 1979, we had just barely started our company, and we were contacted by Tom Scott, who was searching for the right sound partner for the movie Apocalypse Now that Francis Ford Coppola was making. And we were thrilled that he selected us to work with the sound designer on the sound team, particularly Walter Murch. When we finally saw the film back in 1979 with the system that we had helped create, it was fantastic.
Seeing the film, finally when it was all done, we'd only seen pieces of it. It was like going in Wizard of Oz. I mean, to see the 70 millimeter color film with the whole thing put together was just mind-blowing. Francis never said a whole lot, but he just would come down and say, I just want to feel that when that napalm hits, I want to feel it. And then that's about all he'd say, and he'd disappear and we'd go, well, there's another month of work.
In San Francisco, our little company, American Zoetrope, was very interested in sound because, you know, the movie equally gets its effect from the sound and the picture, and the sound is usually a lot cheaper to do than the picture. So we emphasized sound, and in San Francisco, we were surrounded with a lot of talented people, not only out of the music industry, but out of the sound industry. And I think, yes, we knew of Meyer Sound from their work in Northern California.
When Francis said that he wanted to listen to it, it was an opportunity to kind of show him that we could go deeper, lower frequencies, not trying to explain what that means, but a chance he could hear it, adding some elements to his film and seeing if was he agreed that this would be a path to take.
Well, my experience seeing the work done here with Meyer Sound working with Dolby is that there's a level when at times you feel the fact that large amounts of something is moving through your organism, and then you suddenly hear it and recognize what it is. And that's what my experience watching this version of Apocalypse was more like.
I think it's exciting that this new technology has enhanced the film and that Francis is excited about it. We're all excited about it. And Francis says it's very sensual, and he thought that was a good way to describe it. So we're going to take that word and call this system our Sensual Sound system. And the fact that we've taken this technology and evolved it to this point, this is sort of an earmark of what we do. We don't just get satisfied with one level of product and one model. We continually try to make it better. So now we have even better low frequency than we did 40 years ago. We keep getting better, I think.